Welcome to our comparison of the SUVCON Dash Cam and the OVAMAN K600 Dash Cam. In this video, we will explore the features and specifications of both dash cams, helping you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. We'll cover their recording capabilities, technical specifications, and key differences that matter to you as a driver. When it comes to recording quality, the SUVCON Dash Cam offers 1080p resolution for all channels, providing decent clarity for everyday use. In contrast, the OVAMAN K600 boasts a stunning 4K resolution for its front camera, ensuring that every detail is captured in high definition, while still offering 1080p for the rear camera. This difference in resolution can significantly impact the quality of footage, especially in critical situations. Both dash cams come with essential features like loop recording and night vision. However, the OVAMAN K600 stands out with its built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing for easier data sharing and location tracking. The SUVCON, while equipped with a G sensor for emergency locking of footage, lacks the advanced connectivity options that the OVAMAN offers, making it less versatile for tech-savvy users. Pricing is always a crucial factor when choosing a dash cam. The SUVCON Dash Cam is priced at an affordable $79 US, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. On the other hand, the OVAMAN K600 is priced at $139 US, reflecting its higher resolution and advanced features. While the OVAMAN offers more in terms of technology, potential buyers must weigh whether the additional cost aligns with their needs. In conclusion, both the SUVCON and OVAMAN K600 dash cams have their unique strengths. The SUVCON is a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and budget-friendly option, while the OVAMAN K600 is ideal for users who prioritize high-quality recording and advanced features. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.